Cik Marzuki, in the event of pressure loss, how should we troubleshoot the boiler?
Okay, basically in manual type of boilers, for automatic boilers sometimes you cannot realize the pressure drop or pressure loss. If in the system for combustion, in case of the pressure drop or loss, that means automatically the system will increase the firing to compensate the losses, the drop, and then they will try to stabilize up to the target header pressure basically. Meaning that if the pressure loss or drop, the fuel enter into the boiler will increase. The fuel firing will increase to compensate to increase back the steam header loss.
Okay, thank you Cik Marzuki.